Welcome to Working Bank Aspirant channel.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm again back with one more video which is of day 1 of pre-examination training for the IBPS PO 2026. Okay guys, the people who have not yet watched the IBPS PO introduction video, please go and check how to log in, like how to access the materials, or in detail from scratch, like how we'll get the mail. So A to Z have been explained in that video. Please go and check. If possible, I'll try to tag here, otherwise I'll provide the link in the description box. Once you check that video, please start up this video because it's the day 1, so already the basic video I have already made it. Okay guys, I just don't want to make any other further delay, just want to start up this video. Okay guys, this is the day 1 of pre-examination training, so it is related to all the examination process from scratch, like how the prelims examinations will be and what are the participating banks and what are the do's you need to make during the examinations, what are the don'ts you should not make during the examinations, and also regarding the interviews. From all the details that have been clearly given here, and also guys, these are all only in readable format only. There is no other option like download, we can download the materials. So that is the reason I'm making day 6 videos. So previously for the SBI PO there is an option of downloading the materials, so it is really helpful. I have already uploaded all that PDFs in my Telegram channel of day wise. Each are having 5 PDFs, I think so. So on each day wise I have already uploaded that PDFs in my channel, but for coming to the IBPS PO, it is not possible to provide these materials, guys. That is the reason I just want to make this day 6 days of videos. So for SBI PO, I already made only one video for just giving you an update regarding the materials. So but now in this case there is no option, just I want to make this video. So if at least you will get an idea, like at least you will check this video and at least you will get an overview, right? So and also I'm saying like based upon my personal choice, and also if there is a time, I'll definitely going to make all these pages into a PDF format or Word format. I'll try to upload that in the Telegram channel. At least few people will get a benefit for that, if possible guys. I cannot assure you, if possible. If not, you can please go through these videos because because there are hardly 3 to 4 days left for the pre-examination training, so we can access this by only 15th of August. So I'll try to make videos and I'll try to upload it as soon as possible. At least you'll get a clear overview of the examinations, guys. Okay, without any other updates or without any other delays, I'm just starting up this video, guys. So this is the starting page of day 1. Welcome to all the participants. This is the pre-examination recruitment process for the probationary officers of IBPS PO, which includes public sector banks, guys, and these vacancies with respect to 2027 and 2028. And also if you want to know about the vacancies or any other updates, please go and check the official notifications which is dated as 1/7/2026 for the reference and full instructions in this regard. Okay, if anybody want to know, please go and check that notification, guys. Okay, this is the page 1. Just we need to scroll here. I think you are getting idea, right? This is how we need to scroll. Okay guys, this is the second page of day 1. So there are 11 public sector banks, guys. There is the selection process will be prelims, mains, and followed by personality test and interviews. The examination will be purely on online mode examinations, which includes of prelims and mains. There is a personality test, interview, and after that provisional allotment and joining. This is how all the steps. Okay guys, and coming to the third, like the first question comes, they have been clearly mentioned on the page 1. There are public sector banks, right? The first question is the people who are new, the people who are been preparing since years, they know that the list of banks, and also during application you will get to know all the banks listed there, right? So the people who are still new, they want to know like what kind of participating banks are there in public sector. So if you want to know, this is the page. You can see Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sind Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank of India. Guys, these are all the 11 participating banks. And before going to apply, just only check not only check about the vacancies in which bank you are having higher, please check in your particular zone, central, north, east, south will be there, right? So on particular zone, which kind of banks having higher chances to get home posting, so please check that point of view also, including the vacancies while you are applying. Okay, already the date has been crossed, but even though I'm just giving a heads up, still for IBPS clerk there is an option, right? Please check in that point of view. Okay, and even though for the IBPS clerk there will be home postings, right? So okay, then coming to the phase 1 of preliminary examination, guys, there will be 3 sections: English, Quant, Reasoning. So English will be 30 questions for 30 marks, which is of 20 minutes, and for Quant and Reasoning there will be 35 questions for 30 marks for Quant, but 40 marks for Reasoning, guys. So there will be allotted time will be the 20 minutes. So overall will be the 1 hour for 100 questions. So I think this is the very easy exam to crack, guys. Previously in the last year, by only 1 mark I have lost it. I know the pain of that. So the reasoning is very strong sections for most of the people. So that is the reason you can easily score, because hardly 50% of the marks you need to get during the prelims examinations. That's it, you will crack the prelims examination. Okay, coming to the mains examination, guys, this is how I already said it, right? It is purely online based. So the sections will be reasoning, general awareness, and coming general awareness, economy, banking awareness, including RBI circulars too. So for the IBPS PO, you just need to focus more on RBI circulars, guys. I'll definitely make another video on mains exam preparations, because I have already given mains examinations. I'll just give a overview of the mains examinations later, and also if possible I'll try to make a video on prelims strategies. Okay, then coming to the third section will be English and data analysis and interpretation 4 section, and last will be descriptive paper, which is of essay and comprehension. Guys, this is not the same sequence which we will get in the examinations. There is a separate sequence which we will get once the examination has been conducted. So this is how there will be 200 marks, guys, subjected for 200 marks, descriptive paper including 25. So 170 questions for 200 marks without including the descriptive paper. If you include the descriptive paper, the marks will be 225. Okay, guys, the timing will be right, excluding descriptive there will be 160 minutes, and including that 190 minutes. Okay, and personality test. The people, first question is who are eligible for the personality test. That who are qualified for the prelims and mains examinations, they are eligible for the personality test. Prelims and mains examinations, that's it. And coming to the common interviews, for this also the people who are qualified phase 1 and phase 2, they will come to attend for the phase 3 examination. Examination means it will be an interview, guys. Okay, here they have been clearly given, right? The total marks allotted for the interview is 100 marks. Minimum qualifying marks for the interview, which is not less than 40%, guys. For OBC there will be 35%, and for other unreserved categories it will be for 40%. And also the weightage section will be for the mains, it will be 80%, for interview 20%. By combining this 100%, they'll calculate your marks, main final marks. Okay, interviews will be conducted at selected centers. You can select, and so the combined final score of candidates shall be arrived on basis of marks obtained in mains and interviews. So prelims marks will not be included on the final score. Okay, guys, I think you can read all that, because if I'll reading all the points it will take more time, so I'll just going through only few more points. Important points I'll just give you. So coming to the penalty of wrong answers, it will be like for 1 mark it will be 0.25 marks, guys. Okay, if you leave that question, it doesn't consider under negative marking. Okay, there will be sectional cutoff, guys. Important notes, say finger crossed, it is important. It is like you're having sectional cutoffs, you need to more focused on that. And coming to the phase 1 and phase 2 examinations, they will intimated before the examination date in respect to call letters. You can check through official website, which is of IBPS.in. I have already said. So actually before that also you will get a mail when the examination and about your registration roll numbers. Okay, and the date of examination, at the time of examinations you are required to take your hall ticket and also photocopy, and also one verification photo identity, guys, which is of Aadhaar or PAN, between any of these. Okay, and also important point, ration card and learning driving license is not accepted as the valid proof. Photos, like one is identity proof, which is of Aadhaar or PAN. including that you need to take a one copy, Xerox copy of that identity proof, and also photocopies. That's it, guys. Original and Xerox. Okay, coming to the phase 2, there will be photo and biometric capture. So they will capture live photograph and also my biometric data. And before going to say about this, I just want to give you one more heads up, guys. First time I have seen, I have given previous year examinations, right? I have not seen that during the examinations. I'm saying, like, before going to login or before going to start the examinations, they are taking live capture photos. Like, before giving you the desk or anything, they will capture your left thumb and also photo biometric. And after that also, while you are sitting at that at particular your desk, when you are starting the examinations also, it is capturing your image. I felt it is like a new one which they have been introduced, so I need to check for the IBPS PO also. It is the same thing happening. So this is how. So the photo and biometric capture is the very common thing for the prelims and mains examinations. So there is some little more in mains examinations. Okay, just go through all these. Okay. And also I have seen so many people, they have been keeping mehendis or anything for their hands, unable to mark the thumb. It was unable to recognize it. So please be conscious or cautious while you are having your examination date in upcoming days. Please avoid all that. Okay, this is only one thing I just can say. And coming to items are not allowed in state examinations. We all know that these are all the basic things: a bit of papers, pencil box, plastic pouches, calculators, writing pads, pen drives, long table, electric nickel pen. These are all not even allowed. Mobiles, Bluetooth, earphones or anything, goggles and handbags, hairpins, all these are not even allowed. I just check here. If I'm going to read all these, it will take more time because I don't want to make the lengthiest videos. So here, if you are wearing earrings, rings, nose pins, rings, they will check thoroughly. That's it. Okay, at the time of online preliminary examinations, I have already said it, right? You need to bring all these things: hard copy of your call letter, original of your valid identity proof, including Xerox, and also your photocopies. For the mains examinations, same. You can check here, right? All the things, including mains exam. For mains examinations, you need to take it your online preliminary examination call letter also. For the interview, this is the all these points are mandatory, guys. You need to upload your soft copy of documents in PDF format. Here you can see, right? All these points you'll get through mail, guys. Before going for the examinations, you'll get a mail. All the instructions you will get a mail. You can go and check through that, because just focus mainly on prelims, then mains. After that you can focus on the interview, because if you are not clearing prelims, if you are thinking about the interview, it is waste of time, right? So just please focus on the prelims examinations as much as you can. I'll just share my strategies too. Okay, guys, and coming to the general informations, I think just go through all these informations. For the scribes, that who are disabled persons, they can opt out for the scribes. So there are other important right of examinations. So IBPS have the right to introduce additional steps during the examination process, also maintain the integrity of the examinations, guys. Okay, so take a note of candidates are advised to take a note of public examinations. Prevention of unfair means, like, you should not make any unfair things in the examinations. You should be fair during the examinations. It will, if you wantedly make any unfair kind of things, there is an act. If you not follow that particular rules, definitely you will be out of this recruitment process. Okay, guys, here you can see, I just want to just go through all this general information, and there is important informations you can check here. If you are doing any, or if you are violating any kind of things, they definitely they have a right to what I can say, they have a right to make you disqualified from the selection process. That's it. This is the important note. And announcements, if you want to know any updates regarding IBPS PO or particular examinations, if you can go to the official site, which is of IBPS.in, www.ibps.in. Go and search in the Google. Definitely directly it is redirecting to the main page. Okay, this is about the day one of pre-examination training of IBPS PO 2026. I think this made around 15 minutes of video. I don't want to make any other in this video. I try to make as soon as short videos, guys, but this is the main video, right? That is the reason it took more time. So day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6 videos are left. I'll definitely going to upload all that videos on as soon as possible. And if anybody are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also, guys, stay tuned, and also please be prepared very well for the prelims examination, guys, because it is a very good opportunity to make your parents proud and to be financially independent. That's it for this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in next video.